pretty girlies. So today's wig video is being sponsored by MyFirstWig. Y'all already know they're coming with the vibes. So let's go ahead and open up the package and see what we got today. So of course the wig comes in this cute pink satin bag. This wig comes with the lace already cut. The knots have already been bleached and the hairline has already been plucked. So y'all already know I'm ready for it because I love me a convenient install. So let's go ahead and get into it. Now this wig has already been washed, of course, off camera. I mean, why not? You definitely don't want to, put a wig on your head that has not been washed. It's just the proper thing to do. So I'm going to go ahead and show you girls what the lace looks like. Now, again, the lace has already been cut. The lace is definitely giving skin. It is definitely giving it is going to melt without any effort. So this wig also comes with a headband. So let's go ahead and put the wig on. And it is a perfect fit. Now I love me a snug wig because it's just going to give a really good fit where you don't have to use any type of spray or glue to secure the wig down. So let me go ahead and do my adjustments and I'll be back. All right, girls, so I got the wig on. Now it's time to play around with this hairline and see what the lace do. So as you can see, the lace blends into the skin very well. Again, this wig, you do not have to worry about cutting any lace. I'm going to flip the lace up just so you girls can see how easy this lace blends into my skin. I don't need to add no glue, no gel, no spray, nothing. This is perfect. Take a look at the actual hairline and the lace on this wig. I can part my hair anywhere and it's going to give nothing but scalp. This is a 13x6 lace frontal wig on Swiss lace, and as you can see, I'm snapping, baby, because that's exactly what this wig is about to do. It is about to snap. So I am going to go in with the bust down middle part because I just feel like it's appropriate for this look. Now this is a light Yaki hair texture. No, I'm sorry, it's a Yaki hair texture, and this is a 16-inch. Y'all know I live for me a Yaki texture wig. It's just something about this texture where it's not too silky, but it gives just the right amount of texture where it looks natural and I don't have to do a whole lot. So I'm going to go right back in here again and show you girls the lace because I don't think y'all saw it. I don't think y'all saw how with the flip, it just instantly melted into my skin. So now that y'all see the lace is lacing and it is melted into the skin, I'm going to go ahead and get into the hairline and press the hairline out. Now again, the hairline has already been pre-plucked and pre-bleached, so you do not have to do anything to this wig but simply, flatten the top of the wig, straighten it and be out the door. Or if you just want to wear it in its natural state, you can do that too, sis. It's your world. It's your vibe. You do whatever you want to do. But I'm here to tell you right now, you ain't gonna have to do too much to this wig. Now, because I really want y'all to see the hairline on this wig, I did take some hairspray and apply the hairspray directly on the edge brush, pushing my hairs back. Like, look at that, y'all. I'm telling y'all, like, MyFirstWig has been on it. They have been applying pressure to the fullest. Like, look at this. This is like no work being done whatsoever, girl. No plucking, no bleaching, no cutting the lace, like nothing. When I tell y'all this wig ate, like this video don't even give it justice, like how good this wig is. And like if you follow me on social media, I've been wearing the hell out of this wig. Girl, like it literally looks like it is growing out of my scalp. If y'all are looking for a wig that is a put on and go, look no further. Because MyFirstWig is just, they getting better time after time after time. They just improving the quality of their wigs, and I stand on that. Like, look at this. Girl, do y'all see this? Ain't no way you cannot tell me this is not my hair. No way. Top tier wig, period. So now I'm gonna go ahead and straighten this 16-inch Yaki textured wig. Y'all, when I tell y'all, Yaki texture is the way to go with your lace frontal wigs, especially if you is doing like a straight hair look, or you doing a middle part or a bob. Let me tell you something. Your wig will have so much body and texture, and it will look like it is literally your hair, because it's not like silky fine. It just has the perfect texture to it. And I know I told y'all like in the past that I used to love the kinky texture, which I did, but it just required a lot of heat and a lot of time to get your hair to be, straight. But I will say that texture is beautiful, like in ponytails, buns. If you want a super full blowout look, that is definitely the way to go. But for my girls who want like the wig that's straight but has some body to it, has some fullness to it, I promise you, Yaki will never disappoint you. And especially if you get your wig from MyFirstWig, oh baby, it's a go all day. So let me finish straightening my hair, and then I'll be back to give you girls more information on this wig. Everything is laid, the hair has been straightened. This is a very nice wig, and the texture is so beautiful. I don't even think y'all really see how good this wig looks. So anyways, again, the wig is a 16-inch, but I did decide to clip the ends to like a 14-inch. Really, I don't even really think I cut that much on this wig. I probably cut less than an inch because it really didn't need it, but it did have like a little bit of small like splitting in, so I just wanted a clean cut look with this particular style. So yeah, girl, here I am. Cute. So now that I have cut the ends, I'm just gonna go back in and straighten the hair one more time, which I didn't have to do, but I mean, it's just something about continuing to straighten your hair when you got straight hair. Like, I don't know. Let me know in the comments if y'all have that problem too, where you just feel the need to continue to run a flat iron through your hair, even though it is very much straight and it's not getting no straighter. So, y'all.
Give
to do is to take care of these flyaways on this wig. So I'm going to be using some hairspray, the EBN hairspray, and spray it like on top of my hair, making sure that I hit those flyaways, and then taking my comb just to, comb the hair out, making sure everything is smooth. So yeah, girl, this is the final look to this beautiful wig. This hands down is my favorite wig of 2024. I can tell you that right now. And if you follow me on social media, girl, this wig is all over my social media. The way MyFirstWig ate with this wig just don't make no damn sense. So again, if you want to have a wig where you don't have to do anything, no plucking, no bleaching, no cutting the lace, you literally can put this wig on and go straight out the door. MyFirstWig got you covered, baby. So I'm gonna leave everything below in the description bar. Make sure y'all check it out. Make sure y'all use those coupon codes to save yourself some money. See y'all girls in the next video. Bye.